Hi students, welcome to the maths class. Today's maths class. In the previous classes we have done the problems from exercise 13.1. Okay, those problems based on surface areas, total surface area and curved surface areas. Now we are going to start exercise 13.2. In this Roman we have to solve the problems based on the volumes of the solids. So what is meant by the volume means, volume, for example, if you take any bowl or any container, so the capacity of that container will be the volume of that solid. Okay, for example, if you take this one, this is in the shape of this is in the shape of cylinder. So how much ink it will take inside, that will be the volume of the container. Okay, so now let us start the first question. A solid is in the shape of cone standing on hemisphere with both their radii being equal to 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. See here, cone and the combination of cone and hemisphere. Okay, so and the height of the cone is equal to its radius. Okay, find the volume of this solid in terms of pi. Okay, see that here the combination is there. What is the combination? A hemisphere and a cone. So a cone is standing on the hemisphere. So figure, how it will be the figure means, for example, if it is a hemisphere, on this a cone is standing like this. Okay, now it is given that, okay, with the both their radii being equal to 1 centimeter. If you take this is the radii of both hemisphere and cone, and also it is given that height of the cone is equal to its radius. So this is also the height of the cone. This is the height of the cone. This height is also equal to the radius of this cone. It means this is also 1 centimeters. Now we have to find the volume. Surface area means only this area. Okay, volume means this total inside. How much capacity of this solid is nothing but the volume. So that, see, the radius of the radii of cone and hemisphere R is equal to 1 centimeters, and the height of cone is equal to the radius of cone. Both are same, that is h is equal to 1 centimeters. Now the volume of solid. The volume of solid is equal to, volume of solid means total is solid. So to get that volume, if you add the volume of hemisphere and volume of cone means that will be the volume of the total solid. Now volume of hemisphere plus volume of cone. Volume of hemisphere formula is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. In cone no need L, slant height will not come. Okay, why? The formula for volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So see that here pi common, 1 by 3 common, 1 by 3 common, here 1 by 3, here 1 by 3, and pi common, here r cube is there, r square. So r square is common. So 1 by 3 pi r square common. What is there here? 2 r is there. 2 r, pi common. Here 3 r's are there. 2 r's common, and only 1 r is there. 1 by 3 already common. So pi common, r square common. It will be h. So this is 1 by 3 pi. Don't write the pi as 22 by 7. Why? In the question itself it is given, find the volume in terms of pi. So let it be. R is 1 square, 2 into radius 1. This is also 1. Okay, so 1 by 3 pi 1 into 1 1, 2 1 is 2 plus 1 it is 3, 3 cancel, that is equal to pi centimeter cubes. This units also very important. Okay, for the areas we are taking centimeter squares. Here it is radius and height is given in centimeters, that's why I am taking centimeter cubes. Why? Volume means it is the combination of 3 dimensions, length, breadth, height. Okay, 3 dimensions. So centimeter into centimeter into centimeter become centimeter cubes. Okay, this is the first problem, very easy problem. Now let us see the second question. The Rachel, an engineering student, was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with 2 ends attached at the 2 ends using a thin aluminum sheets. Okay, so the diameter of the model is 3 centimeters and its length is 12 centimeters. If each cone has of height 2 centimeters, find the volume of air in the container, air container in the model. Okay, so here one model, they made one model. How was it there? Means in middle it is a cylinder. Okay, and both ends are attached with 2 cone shaped aluminum sheets. So see that how the figure is made. Figure means this is a cylinder shape. See here in the question, if you read the question properly, then only you can draw the picture. After drawing the picture, it will be very easy to calculate the volume. So this is the cone. Both ends are attached with 2 cones like this. 2 cones like that. Okay, and also it is given that the diameter of the model. Diameter of the model means that diameter will be the diameter of cone and cylinder both. Okay, so that the radius of the diameter, the radius of the, this is 3 by 2. It is diameter means radius means it is 3 by 2, and this is also cone diameter also same means cone radius also same 3 by 2. But we need the height of the cylinder. Okay, but it is given that if each cone has of height 2 centimeters, so this cone 2 centimeters is there and this cone also 2 centimeters is there. But again it is given that the total length of this model is 12 centimeters, means from here to here total length is 12 centimeters. Then what will be the length? Length means it is a height. Okay, they are keeping like this. Then it will if you place like this means vertically means then that will be the height. Okay, if they placed horizontally means it will be the length. Length and height both are same here. So what will be this length? Up to here to total 4. Okay, so if you subtract this 4 from total length means that will be the 12 minus 4 will be 8 is equal to 8 will be the length of the diameter. Okay, now we want to find the volume of this container. Volume means how we will get volume of cylinder plus volume of this cone plus volume of this cone, means volume of cylinder plus volume of 2 cones become the total volume of this model. Okay, so now let us try to write the radii, the diameter of model is equal to D is equal to 3 centimeters. Now radii of cone and cylinder is equal to radius is equal to D by 2, that is equal to 3 by 2 centimeters. Now and also length of the height of the cone also given. Height of cone is equal to h. Let take a small h. Here 2 heights are there. Okay, so cone heights you can take h1 or and next to this one h2, or otherwise cone height you can take small h, cylinder you can take capital H. Okay, then you will not get any confusion. So h is equal to 2 centimeters. and the length of the model is given. Model is equal to, that is 12 centimeters. Now height of cone, height of this cylinder, height of cylinder is equal to 12, total length 12 minus 2 ends, that is 4, that is equal to 8 centimeters. Now we can find the volume of this entire model. Okay, so volume of model is equal to, otherwise like this only you can write, find the volume of air container. Volume of air container in the model is equal to volume of cylinder plus volume of two cones. Okay, volume of this cylinder plus volume of these two cones. Volume of cylinder, it is pi r square h. So two cones means 2 into volume of cone means 1 by 3 pi r square. Capital H you have, sorry, this is capital H you can write, and this is capital H. Okay, and see that what is the common here? Pi r square will be the common. So pi r square into, here H is there, capital H plus, here 2 by 3 into, this is small h, cone means small h. So this is equal to 22 by 7 into, what is the radius? It is 3 by 2. Square means into 3 by 2. What is the capital height? Capital H 8. 2 by 3. What is the small h? Into 2. Now see this here, no cancellation. 2 1 ja, 2 11 ja. 11 3 ja 33, 33 3 ja 99. 99 by 7. 99 by 7 into this is 8 plus 2 2 are 4 by 3. So this is 99 by 7 into cross multiply 2 8 ja 24 plus 4 by 3. This is 99 by 7 into this is 28 by 3. 7 1 ja 7 4 ja 3 1 ja 3 3 ja 3 3 ja. Okay, so it will be 4 3 ja 12, 4 3 ja 12, 30, 132. Okay, so here it is. Okay, that is 132. Okay, so here capital pi r square h is 8 centimeters and 2 by 3 small h is 2 is 4 by 3. So 22 by 7 into small r, capital R is equal to 3 by 2 into 3 by 2, 2 1 ja 2 11 ja. This is 7 2 ja 14 is there here. Sorry, this is 7 2 ja 14. 14 is there. So it will be 14 1 ja 14 2 ja. So 33 2 ja, it is 66 centimeter cubes. Okay, so problem is very easy. Okay, I hope that you understand. Now next we will discuss the third question and fourth question. Okay, now let us solve the question number 3. A gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to about 30% of its volume. Okay, so it means there is a container. There is a container like this in the shape of cylinder. In this cylinder, some gulab jamuns are there. Okay. So in gulab jamun container, there will be some juice of sugar. Okay, it means some syrup, like syrup, some juice will be there. So that juice up to where it is there means 30% of the volume. 30% of the volume of cylinder, juice is there. Juice means that syrup is there. Find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamuns. if we dropped 45 gulab jamuns in that juice, okay, how much syrup would be found? How much syrup we will find? Okay, each shaped like a cylinder with hemispherical ends. Okay, so each and every gulab jamun is in the shape of cylinder. Each gulab jam is in the shape of cylinder with two hemispherical, with the hemispherical ends with. So on both we have two hemispherical ends are there, like this is there. Okay, yes. So each gulab jamun is in the shape of cylinder. So each shaped like a cylinder with hemispherical ends with length 5 centimeters. Total length is given, it is 5 centimeters, and it is given 2.8 centimeters. And the diameter, see this diameter is 2.8, means the radius is 1.4, and this is also will be the radius. This is also become 1.4, and this is also radius. This is 1.4. So we need the height of the cylinder. How much? 1.4, 1.4. This is 1.4. This is 1.4. The remaining will be the length of the height of the cylinder. So 1.8, 1.4, 1.4, 2.8. If you subtract the 2.8 from the total length of the jamun, that is 5, means you will get the height of the cylinder. Like that, from this data we have to find the total volume of one gulab jam. Okay, after finding the volume of one gulab jam, how many gulab jams are there? 45 gulab jams are there. So 45 into this each gulab jamun volume, okay, into means we will get the total volume of this gulab jamuns. After finding that, to get the 30%, see 30% of volume, okay, how much gulab jams we need to drop in the container, means 30% of volume of the 45 gulab jams becomes the total volume of the syrup. Volume of the syrup. How much syrup means? The volume of the syrup it will take for the 45 gulab jams if it will rise up to the 30% of the volume. Okay. So first we have to find the volume of each gulab jam. So see what is the given here. The diameter of hemisphere and cylinder becomes D is equal to, it is 2.8 centimeters. Then radius becomes D by 2, that is 2.8 by 2 is equal to 1.4 centimeters. 2 1 ja 2 4 ja. Now the length of each gulab jamun is equal to 5 centimeters. Now the length of each gulab jamun is equal to height of the, it will be the height of the cylinder. How we will get total length 5 centimeters? From that 1.4 plus 1.4, that is 2.8, subtract, it will be the 2.2 centimeters. Okay. Now the volume of each gulab jamun is equal to, each gulab jam contains 2 hemispheres and 1 cylinder. So volume of cylinder plus volume of 2 hemispheres. Okay, volume of cylinder means pi r square h plus volume of hemisphere means 2 by 3. 2 into, why 2 hemispheres are there? That's why 2 into 2 by 3 pi r cubed. So this is pi r square common. See that r square here, one r cube is there. It will be common. Here h, here 2 to the 4 by 3 r. Okay, so it will be 22 by 7 into, what is the radius here? 1.4 means it is 14 by 10. 14 by 10. What is the height? It is 2.2 means 22 by 10 plus 4 by 3 into 14 by 10. So this is 7 1 ja, 7 2 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja. Okay, 2 5 ja, 2 7 ja. This will become 22 into 7, 154 by, this is 5 5 ja, 25 plus 22 by 10 plus, it is, this also will get cancelled. 2 5 ja, 2 11 ja. This is 2 2 ja, 2 5 ja. Okay, so this is 11 by 5 plus, this is 14 2 ja, 28 by 3 5 ja, 15. 3 5 ja, 15. That is equal to 5 5 ja, 25. 154 by 25. For 5 and 15, 15 LCM. 5 3 is 11, 3 is 33 plus 28. That is equal to 154 by 25. How much? 50. 62 by 15. 62 by 61 by 15. So this is the volume of each cone. Now we need volume. How many this type of gulab jamuns are there? 4. So now volume of 45 gulab jamuns is equal to 45 into volume of each gulab jamun. Then 45 into, this is 154 by 25 into 61 by 15. 5 5 ja, 5 9 ja, 3 3 ja, 3 3 ja, 3 3 5 ja. So this is 3 into 154 into 61 by 5 5 ja, 5 5 ja, 25. Now you have to multiply. 61 into 3 is equal to 3, 3 6 are 18 into 154 into 154, multiply. 4 3 is 12, 4 8 is 32, 133, 4 1 is 4 plus 3 7, 5 3 is 15, 5 8 is 40 plus 1 41, 5 1 is 5, 9 it is. This is with 1 3 is 3, 1 8 is 8, 1. So 2 8 11 18 2. So this is 281 82 by 25 centimeter cubes. This is also centimeter cubes. Okay. Now volume of the syrup. Volume of syrup is equal to 30% of its volume. Its volume is gulab jam. So 45 gulab jams. Volume of syrup is equal to 30% of volume of 45 gulab jamuns. So this is 30% means we can write 30 by 100 into 45 gulab jams volume. This is 28182 by 25. 0 will be the cancel. Now this is 28182 by 250. After dividing by 250, you will get 331.33.1 like that. This is the approximately value of this one. Okay. So once you have to check clearly. Okay. If there is any mistakes in calculations, you only will correct it. Why? Here by doing in fast some mistakes will be done. That's why once you have checked once again read and write this question properly. Okay. So this one and this one will be is the answer for third one. Okay. While you are doing check this some calculations. Okay. So this is video. That's why I can make some small mistakes. You can correct it. Okay. Now let us solve the fourth question. Now let us solve the fourth question. See that here a pen stand made of wood. Pen stand is the wood in the shape of cuboid. One pen stand they made in the shape of cuboid, in the shape of cuboid like this. Okay, like a cuboid. Okay, in this cuboid, on this cuboid, there are 4 conical depressions to hold the pens. To hold the pens, I think you saw pen stands will be there. That pen stand is in the shape of cube to hold the pens. How many holes are there? 4 holes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 holes are there. In that holes they will place the pens. Okay. So these cuboid dimensions are given, and the radius of each depression. These depressions, these holes are in the shape of cone. Then only the pen will stand perfectly. So these cones are in the shape of cone, and the radius also is given. Okay, and the depth means inside. Cone inside, depth means it will be the height of the cone is given. Then we have to find the total wood, entire volume of the wood in this pen stand. Okay, how we will get from the volume of this depressions means it is hole. So to stand the pens, compulsory they removed some wood. Then only the holes will come, the depressions will come. So they removed the volume of 4 cones of the wood from this total volume of the cuboid. I hope that you understand. So how we will find from the volume of this cuboid? If you subtract the volume of 4 cones, means that will be the remaining wood in this pen stand. Okay, so now let us try to write. See, dimensions given. The dimensions of cuboid or length is equal to 15 centimeters, breadth is equal to 10 centimeters, and height is equal to 3.5 centimeters. Now the radius of cone is there, no? So the radius of cone is equal to each cone is equal to how much it is given? 0.5. So radius of each depression. Okay. Now this is each depression. This is equal to 0.5 centimeters. And also it is given depth of height. We need to find the volume of the cone. We need height. Height of cone. Each cone is equal to depth of each depression. How much it is given? It is given that 1.4 centimeters. Now find the volume of wood in the stand. Volume of wood in pen stand. How we will get? That is equal to volume of cuboid minus volume of 4 cones. So this is volume of cuboid means length into breadth into height minus 4 into volume of cone. So 4 cones are there. That is 1/3 pi r square h. So this h, that h different. So length is 15, breadth is 10, height is 3.5 means it will be 35.10. Minus 4 1 ja 4/3, pi means 22/7. What is the radius? 0.5 means it is 5/10. And what is the height of the cone is 1.4 means 14/10. So this 10 cancel. This is 15 into 35. 15 5 is 75. 15 5 is 45 plus 3, that is 525 minus. See here cancellation. 5 1 ja 5 2 ja 2 1s 2 2s 7 1 ja 7 2s 14. Still 2 1s 2 5s. It will be 22/15. That is equal to 502 minus 22/15. It will be 1.4. After subtracting this, it will be the 523.6 centimeter cubes. 523.6 centimeter cubes. Okay students, I hope that you understand. this is somewhat confused, but this is very easy. Okay, see that and copy this. Okay, thank you students, have a nice day.